In this part, we will discuss the different file formats available in Excel and how they relate to saving workbooks that contain macros. First, let's talk about the XLSM file format. This format is similar to XLSX, but includes support for macros, enabling automation within Excel. When saving a workbook that contains macros, it's important to use this extension to ensure that your VBA code is preserved and remains functional. Next, we have the CSV file format. CSV stands for comma-separated values, a plain text format where data is separated by commas. It is widely used for exporting and importing data between different systems due to its simplicity and universal support. However, it does not support macros or any advanced Excel features, and it can only contain a single worksheet. Each CSV file is limited to one sheet, which means that if a workbook contains multiple sheets, only the active sheet will be saved when exporting to a CSV file. The XLSX file format, the default for Excel 2007 and later versions, is widely used for most everyday Excel tasks due to its efficiency and compatibility. It supports a wide range of features like formulas, charts, and data analysis, making it ideal for most professional and personal use cases that don't require automation, because there is no support for macros. Then, there is the XLS file format, which is an older binary file format for Excel workbooks compatible with Excel 97 to 2003. It has several limitations compared to the newer XLSX format, including a maximum of 65,536 rows and 256 columns per sheet. This format is still used for compatibility with older systems, but is generally less efficient and flexible than the XLSX format. The key takeaway here is the importance of distinguishing file formats. All workbooks with the XLSM extension are marked as potentially dangerous because they can contain macros, which can execute code and perform automated tasks. It is essential to be cautious when opening XLSM files from untrusted sources to protect against potential security risks. Understanding these file formats and their uses will help you choose the appropriate format for your workbooks, ensuring that your data and macros are correctly saved and functional.